Hello foodies! Today I'll show you how to make Kobe beef stroganoff with an artisan Italian pasta called Vesuvio. This dish is really fit for a Russian aristocrat or an oligarch. For this recipe, I'll be using 600 grams of Kobe beef, the iconic and very expensive Japanese beef. You can see the amazing marbling. This is the best quality Japanese Kobe beef. I've cut it into strips for this recipe. I'll use freshly crushed black pepper and sea salt to season the beef. And then add a bit of flour to coat the beef. Mix everything together and then set it aside. I'll also need 200 grams of diced button mushrooms, 2 sliced white onions, 1 tablespoon crushed garlic, 150 grams of sour cream, a red wine stock pot, 1 teaspoon French whole grain mustard, and 500 grams of Vesuvio artisan pasta from Italy. Let's cook the pasta according to the instructions given on the packet. We need to cook the pasta al dente. Let's begin cooking the Kobe beef. In a cooking pot, heat a bit of olive oil. Then add the Kobe beef and sear it really well till it has a lovely caramelized color. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. And then take it out. In the same pot, add the sliced onions, the crushed garlic, a bit of salt and black pepper, and fry on high heat for a minute. Then add the mushrooms and keep frying on high heat for 2 more minutes. Then add a heaped teaspoon of mustard and mix it in. Then add the red wine stock pot and blend it in. Add a bit of water to deglaze the pot. Then lower the flame and add the sour cream gradually and then blend it in. Now it's time to add the Kobe beef strips back into the pot and mix everything together. Add half a cup of water and blend it in. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take the lid off. You can see that everything is cooked. Let's do a quick taste test. I'm going to add a bit of hot paprika and blend it in, as well as some dried parsley leaves. Our Vesuvio pasta is ready. Let's plate up our Vesuvio pasta. Ladle the fabulous Kobe beef stroganoff on top of the Vesuvio pasta. Add a bit more parsley on top and serve with a glass of chilled wine. Kobe beef stroganoff is the best stroganoff that I've ever tasted. It is full of umami flavor and the Kobe beef just melts in your mouth. The mouthfeel is out of this world. This dish is fit enough to make a cynical aristocrat smile. Enjoy!